Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Toyota RAV4 LE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger, all-wheel drive SUV in magnetic gray metallic. And under the hood, you'll find a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include your daytime running lights, your roof rails, and your Toyota safety sense that includes lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this RAV4 has to offer. So helping us inside, we've got our remote key fob. We've also got our car starter as well. So we're going to unlock once for the driver's side door, twice for all four. You see we have the signal on our mirror as well. We'll open up our rear door. Check out our passenger area back here. Lots of spacious room for them. They're going to be nice and comfy back here. There's a 12-volt DC outlet charger just down underneath the center console. So looking at our door panel, all four window buttons, lock and unlock and window lock with some storage space underneath. Then we have our seat adjuster as well just right there. And to the left of our steering wheel, you can see we have the all-wheel drive lock. And then we've also got our mirror adjuster. Pop the key in. There we go. And so we're going to be using the right-hand side of the steering wheel to look through the multi-information display, giving us a few little pieces of information there. So that's for our lane departure alert and knowing our cruise control is on and off. Then we got a few things we can change through there for our pre-collision warning system as well. We're just going to go back. There we go. The left-hand side is going to be for our entertainment system. We'll get the volume, channel selector, hands-free calling. On the right-hand side, the dynamic radar cruise control right there with our cruise control piece underneath. Looking a little more at our entertainment system right now. We get the AM, FM, CD, USB, and Bluetooth. Looking at our car, this is basically our consumption rates and past records of driving and how well we've been doing. We can pop into reverse, and there's our backup camera right there. A little further down, we've got our climate system. It's nice and easy dial operated, and we have the air conditioning, rear defrost. We've also got our front defrost and inner circulation right over there. And below that, you can see we've got our eco and sport mode to change up our driving style with the heated seats for the driver and passenger. We've got our rain sensing windshield wipers. We got the auxiliary and USB and a 12-volt DC out with some storage space just underneath. Then we can pop it into the standard mode right there, going up and down, nice and easy for us. But we'll put it into park. Check out our center console. So we have our first level, and then we have our second as well. We have a nice little storage shelf right here, and below that we've got our cubby hole. Tossing our user manual inside there and perhaps some Kleenex and everything else we might need quick access to. And as always, here's our sunglass hutch, the best feature. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So before we hop into the cargo area, a few things to show you. We've got those roof rails ready for some cross members and extra storage space, that shark fin antenna, and then we have the backup camera just below our emblem. So we'll open right up. You can see we have lots of space back here. We've got the 60/40 splitting rear seat as well. And then underneath, we've got our spare tire. Tie down points too, in case we need to secure our load down. But that's pretty much all you got for space back here. And it's as much as you're gonna need for anything. They fold right down. You'll be able to put some skis back here, a ladder, anything you might need. Let's take a last look at our 17 Toyota RAV4. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated front seats, your sport mode, and your Bluetooth capability. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. So come in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.